Now tap on this model. Now tap on these layers. Tap on this duplicate. Now rotate this second model and arrange perfectly this portion. Now tap on this opacity and decrease this opacity to around 25. Okay, now tap on tick. Now go to lens flare and you have to select this blue lens flare. Simply stretch it. Tap on this hue and make this hue to pink color. Tap on the opacity, decrease this opacity to 25. Now bring this to the center. Okay, and decrease little opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to add photo and select the cards PNG. Friends, these are the cards. Zoom out. Now stretch it to up. Now tap on this blend and make it lighter. Now select this eraser, tap on eraser. You have to start erase on the model image. Friends, it is complete. Now tap on tick. Next step, you have to go to adjust, increase the saturation as well as brightness. Okay, now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to add the bad boy name. Tap on text. I have to write bad boy. I will give this bad boy font link in the description. Tap on tick. Tap on the pink arrow and tap on my fonts and select the night shift font. Now tap on this color, tap on this gradient, tap on this black color and select pink. Tap on tick. Now select the white color and tap on blue. Now tap on tick mark. Now arrange this bad boy on the top. Now tap on stroke, give the black color stroke little bit. Now go to blend and you have to make it add. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to go to draw. Tap on draw, select the brush and keep this like this, opacity to like this, set. Now select the pink color. Have to start drawing. Now tap on color and select the blue color and draw on the left side portion of the model. Okay, perfect. Now tap on layers, tap on here and you have to select overlay and tap on plus empty layer, tap on brush, keep like this and you have to draw one here and tap on 3 dots, tap on transform, arrange it like this, tap on tick, decrease little opacity. Now tap on layers, another empty layer, select the colors, now select the pink and draw it left side, right side and tap on 3 dots, tap on transform and arrange like this, tap on tick, decrease little opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And the final step, you have to go to tools, go to adjust,
give little brightness, give contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little more, give little highlights, shadow little bit. Increase a little.
till temperature. Now tap on. So friends, finally our tutorial is completed. Now tap on save.